Welcome to the session, Preparing Your Pattern for 3D. Once you have your 2D pattern ready, you have to adjust it so that you can work with it in 3D. This includes arranging the pieces, selecting their 3D location, ignoring certain pieces, and more. In this session, you will learn how to arrange your pieces in the work area so that they can be turned into a 3D sample. You will learn how to define the 3D location of pieces and piece orientation, how to define a pair, how to synchronize the 2D window and 3D window, and verify the placement by placing your pattern on the model. So let's begin. Let's first open up a pattern we created in the PDS. Note, you can also import or convert a pattern from another CAD system if you would like. As you can see, our pieces appear as they were defined in 2D. So let's arrange them for 3D. We first need to make sure the pieces are orientated correctly. In 3D, most pieces should stand up or be vertical on the screen, except for the sleeves and cuffs, which are horizontal. To rotate the pieces, select the back and front pieces. Select from bottom right to top left. From the toolbox, expand rotation, then select Rotate CW to rotate clockwise, or CCW to rotate counterclockwise. Or if you want to use your keyboard, press right or left brackets. Remember, all functions in the PDS can be accessed either by clicking on icons or by pressing hotkeys on your keyboard. In this case, hotkeys are extremely convenient. Now let's make sure the pieces are paired. In the Properties dialog, select the Pair checkbox. Now let's define the location of each piece. This is done in the 3D Properties dialog. By default, all pieces are marked as front. If you do not see the 3D Properties dialog, go to View, 3D Windows, and select 3D Properties. Now expand Positioning, and under Location, select Back. Now select the sleeve, and under Location, select Left Arm. Note, left arm low is for two-piece sleeves, such as a jacket sleeve. In the 3D window, click Place Cloth to place the pieces. Notice that they are still horizontal. This is because you need to synchronize. So now let's synchronize to orient these new positions for 3D. Click Synchronize. Now, let's define the shape that is used to bend or curve around the 3D model. Sleeve pieces are 100% cylinder shape by default, and front and back pieces are flat by default. So let's select the front piece and back piece, and under 3D Properties, under Shape, make sure the shape is cylinder. Under Percentage, enter 30%. Now select the sleeve and see that it is cylinder 100%. Now let's place our cloth to see how it fits on the mannequin. Let's move the pieces to the correct location to check their position. As you can see, all the pieces are vertical and cylinder. Now let's move our pieces to the correct location on the mannequin's body. Your mouse plays an important role here. To select a piece in 3D, press Ctrl and keep it pressed while moving pieces. Press Ctrl and left click to move the pieces around. Press Ctrl and right click to move the pieces in and out. Press Shift and right or left together to rotate the pieces left and right. Press Ctrl and right and left together to rotate the pieces in and out. Your pattern is now ready for 3D. Congratulations! You've learned how to prepare your pattern pieces for 3D successfully. Please move on to the next session in this series to see how to stitch your pattern together.